All right, gang, this is always interesting. Anytime I do a video on glassware, it always is a little interesting, but what we've got here is made by Bruntmor. This is actually a replacement for like a 34-ounce coffee French press for the glass portion of the French press. There's several reasons you might want one of these. Number one, if you dropped your other one off the countertop and it shattered everywhere and you had to clean it up, and now what are you gonna do? Well, you can pick one of these up nice and easy from Bruntmor. Number two, if you do a lot of coffees, like if you have a coffee bar and you want multiple ones of these around, I mean, this is a great option so that you can keep different ones. But the reason I like this is if you do, let's say you have a home bar and you need a nice beaker to mix in your home bar, this is a phenomenal mixing glass for that. Also has a pour spout on the top. So this is about 1,000 milliliters or 34 ounces in total. This is made out of a Borosilicate, which is a glass, but it has been fire toughened up to 1,200 degrees to give it a bit of strength inside of it, and also to help it maintain as you're using hot liquids inside of it and not worrying about it cracking. Look, if you are looking for either a replacement for your French press or if you need a good mixing glass because you have a home bar, I think this is the way to go. I think you're gonna love it. It's made by Bruntmor. Check it out.